We're back. So the other thing you want to work on when you're just first introducing the collar is the off-leash recall. You've got to have it in a controlled environment, and it does require, good timing and skill on your part. You need to be ready when the dog starts to move in your direction to say something. But we've already just previously used the pager to help indicate that that means to turn. Bronson! Good. Good. Good boy. I'm saying the name in a way, I'm not just saying, come here, come on, anything like that. I'm really enunciating the name. The name is going to be the recall, because that's what people are going to do. All through. All through. Bronson! Good boy. Good boy. So I'm just doing, you see how he's kind of, Bronson! Good boy! Scratching at it. Good boy! But it's causing him to turn, so I'm ready right there. Da-da-da-da-da. Bronson! Good boy! I know we say hold it down, but for this particular dog, oh, would you stop? You've got to be ready to temper your training to whatever. I'm just going to do it real quick. He's never had the collar on before, so for this particular dog, I'm just going to do it real quick and get his attention. See what's happening though. As he's moving away, he's keeping his ears back on me. Bronson! Good boy! Good boy! I don't know if you can hear that, but that was just a click, click, click with the pager. After I just made that video the other day saying you don't hold it down long enough. If you held it down too long on this dog, and that's going to change. Bronson! Good boy!